Good morning, John Neal here. It's Friday, the 26th of August 2022, and I'm out because it's a nice day. Well, I'm quite close to the A5, which is just down here, which I've driven along to get here. And this is the road that goes to Fenny Drayton. The reason I've come here is because every time I go along the A5, there is a lovely view across this field to some farm buildings in the middle of the field. And it's just a wonderful panorama of field, sky, and these houses, buildings, trees in the middle of the field. So I'd rather like to take some photographs of them, and the best way is with the drone. The place I'm at, by the way, is quite historic in a way, because up the road here, Fenny Drayton, a couple of miles up the road here, is the place that George Fox, the founder of the Quakers, was born, and I've done a video about that. And over that way at Manchester, again barely a mile away, is where they think Boudicca took on the Romans way back beyond that, and was defeated. So it's quite an historic little setup, of course. And of course, Bosworth is just over there as well. So anyway, let's have a look at this field, shall we, in these wonderful buildings. Just a quick comment, if I may, as I just finish off this painting. This scene is obviously inspired by what I could see with the drone in this field. However, I've taken a bit of a license here and there. One, the sky. I just love letting the watercolour just do its stuff. The sky is actually completely flat blue, but I've made it more interesting than that. Likewise, the marks made by the farm machinery on the field went round the buildings, but I've turned them into leading lines, taking your eye into the focal point, the buildings. So I'm going to have a little dabble with a white pen and then finish off with a very, very fine black pen to outline the buildings and bring out some detail. Well, that was good fun. Like that. And the best thing is, the drone got back safe. Still not fully confident, but yeah, we're getting there. Just got to take all the footage in now and put it all together for you. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.